The battle for the future of crypto is raging, and Congress just threw a powerful punch against the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and its crypto-stifling policies. In an awesome display of bipartisan unity, the House passed a resolution demanding that the SEC back off its crypto banking regulations. This is a huge win for the crypto community and anyone who believes in crypto financial freedom. But the fight is not over. The Biden administration, protector of the status quo, is against the new legislation and has threatened to veto it. Biden claims that it'll cause financial instability and market uncertainty. Sounds like they're just scared of losing control and letting people make their own choices about their money. Here's the lowdown. Back in April of 2022, the SEC, led by power-hungry Gary Gensler, dropped something called an accounting bulletin, SAB 121. It basically told the banks that they couldn't be custodians of digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The SEC claimed it was about protecting investors. But come on, that's just a bunch of baloney. It's about control, plain and simple. Staff accounting bulletins are supposed to be about clarifying existing rules. But SAB 121 is like a whole new rule book that throws a wrench in the gears of the crypto community. But Congress is saying not so fast. Congress is standing up for the little guy and for the future of finance and for the crypto industry. The SEC's power grab is kind of like putting a lid on a volcano. It's going to explode. There's nothing they can do about it. The crypto genie is already out of the bottle, and there's no way of putting it back in. What can you do? Speak up. Let your representatives in Congress know that you support them in their efforts to protect crypto innovation. Get involved. Join my Discord. Help build the future of finance. The fight for crypto freedom is just beginning, but with Congress on our side, we can make great strides together. Let's show the SEC and the Biden administration that we can't be stopped. We won't let them control our financial future. We are the future, and we cannot be silenced.